plan, like one hall and room and bathroom and kitchen, smart setup. Okay, let me draw. I'll make line command, click here, I'll make ocean up on. Okay, I'll make 450 and here 500, 450 and cross this, make offset 23 bar for wall thickness. This is hall. Okay, and then I'll make one more room, and from here to here 400 like this, and here I'll make fillet, offset, and then I'll make separate this row. Okay, and make wall, I'll make one bathroom here. Okay, offset 150 and wall thickness 23. Okay, see, now trim this gap. Okay, I'm not use delete, make trim. I'll go back like this. See, make trim command, double space, just click, like this. This don't want to trim, like this only, and delete this. Okay, now this is hall, bedroom, bathroom. This is kitchen. This is small setup. Okay, now I'll join this on corner by fillet. And here to join this line, make join command J, select, that's all. J, and to select both line. J. Now we want to trim. Okay, now I'm use a little bit speedily. Okay, offset and center, and make offset 50, like here. I'll make door here. This is 90. Okay, trim, make line and offset 75, offset 75. This is small door. Trim. Okay, now I'll make main door. Yeah. Okay, I'll make line. Okay, if you want to move the line or if you want to copy, okay, I'll show you. This is the line. Okay, if you want to move line from here, have to move 200 centimeter above. I'll use M, select object, select, and select the anywhere above there where you want to move. You'll make F8, you'll move anywhere. Just click here, this will be moved. Okay, move command, select object, click. Okay, if I press F8 or throw on, if you want to click here, this will move here. Okay, if you want to use measurement, I'll make 200. If you want to copy, same like C, O, it will copy. Same thing. Okay, same way. 100 cm for door and make trim, and then this, and Now you will make window here. Okay. Now I will show you basic window how to draw. Okay. I'll make line and another one command for this. Polyline. What is polyline? Okay. If I draw line, all are separate lines. Same thing, I'll use polyline PL. This is also line command. Okay. And you want to press PL polyline. Now see this whole thing single object. This is separate object and this is whole thing single line. This is the difference. Okay. And the same, if you want to line, make line, and if you want to make one arc, make A. Click here. Okay, and second point, make here. Okay, if you want to do everything, now this is separate line. If you want to joint everything, make joint. Now this is, if you want to draw like a single line everything, you will use polyline PL. Select. Okay, see here we have arc. See now we have arc. Okay, if I click here and I want to draw arc, I'll make A. See if you want to use arc command, make A. Okay, I'll make A and space. So this is default arc. Okay, this is default. Okay, if you want to change the line, if you want to draw arc, line. Okay, another one, arc. This is default circle. If you want to change this point and this, if you want to change the end point and center point also, it can. Now we are in arc command, arc second point. Yes, click. See, this is standard. If you want to change this point, select second point. Yes. Okay. So this is everything single line. This is the different line and polyline. Okay, now I'll tell this everything. Okay, now okay. If you want to draw rectangle or EC, first point, end point, first point, end. If you want to make dimension or EC, just click here. Okay, now we have to type the measurement. Before we have to type the measurement, use Alt. See, Alt, not Alt, Alt. Okay, just press Alt and type the measurements. 59200 comma 50. That's all. Rectangle, click the first point and Alt. Okay, now I want 150 length comma with 50 and space. This is a rectangle. Okay, now I'll draw the window. Okay, you want to make draw like line or rectangle, anything if you want to use you. This is what you think you can draw. Okay, I'll make 150 comma 23 wall thickness. This is window size. Okay, the wall thickness. Okay, and make one line here. Okay, offset 5. Okay, now I'll make small rectangle. Now see, it will show this line. If you want to click here, you can't click. Point will show here. See, if you want to click here, just go this point and slowly see. Okay, sometimes it will not show here. Just press shift right click. Here all points is available. End point, mid point. If you want your point you want to use now, just click. This is temporary. Now we need it nearest point. See. Okay, now I will copy this rectangle and go here. I'll delete this line. I'll make one simple line here. That's all. If you want to color this window, I select. See, this is properties, color properties, object color, object line thickness, object line type. Okay, this is everything I'll tell you later. Now how to use color. Okay, I will draw by layer. I click here. Default settings it will have by layer. Okay, so now how to change which color you want to change this line. First select the line and go and pick which color you want. Pick this color. Escape. See, and select this line and go. Make black. By layer means it. This is black color. Okay, now this is window 150 size. If you want smaller, make right. This is 150. If you want to check what is the distance, if you want to check, this command is distance di. First point from where to where you want to check. This point to this point. See, it will show 150. From here to here you want to check 23. If you want to check this 10. If you want to check this 6.87. This is I'm not give the input the I'm not giving input the measurement. Okay, I check this approximately. That's why it's something 0.873 like this. Okay, if you want to draw 10 by 5, it will make. Now we want to use this. Now we'll copy the window and enter here. Now see, and how to rotate the window and copy here. One more copy here, here, and small one here. Okay, now we'll copy C. Go select the window. See, end point, midpoint. I'll click midpoint. Just off the ortho in the wall center. If you want to here, make nearest point, click here. This is up to you. I'll make center. Okay, I'll make one here, and this one I'll make a line. See, now we have to rotate the window. Okay, I'll delete this. Okay, copy the window one more here. If you want to rotate the window, command is or go rotate. Select object, base point, which I'll click here. See, this will rotate. If you want to use F8, it will come 90 degree. This is 90 degree rotate. If you want to rotate 30 degree, just make 30 or 45 or 70. Which one? Which degree if you want to rotate, just put. I want to rotate 30 degree. I'll make 30 space. that you rotate. Okay. Now I need 90 degree. Okay, I'll make undo. Okay, rotate and click F8, just makes it. And copy here, here. At least, and now now we'll move the window inside. Move, click here, click here. Okay, in this wall, we'll make small window. This is 150. Now we want 100 or 90 is enough. Okay, if we want to draw, draw, or another option. And another option is command is stretch any line or something object. If you want to stretch means if you want to make enlarge or make smaller, like this. Okay, I'll use stretch. Yes, space, select object, don't select whole object. Okay, this is selecting area only, not left to right. We want to select right to left. See, now this is blue color and here is in green. Okay, okay, this right option is right to left. Okay, here I click like this. In this area I want to stretch, increase or decrease. Okay, I click here and make space and click. See, if you want to reduce, make reduce. If you want to click here, it will come here. Okay, now we'll input the measurement. This is 150 before. Now how to decrease 50 centi. 100. Now I'll copy and click. And for bathroom, we want 60. Same thing. Stretch, select. Okay. Maybe you select like this, it will move. See, stretch command and select the whole object, it will move. Okay, if you want to stretch like this. Okay, now this is 100. I'll reduce 40. Copy and here. And then if you want to save the file, I'll make control yes. Which area you want to save, desktop, and make and sample tut. Okay, which area, desktop, save. Okay, in next video we will continue how to make text and door and some commands tools you will see. Bye friends. If you like this video, please subscribe me and like the video.